Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler, black and silver accents with blind spot detection. We do get remote start with this vehicle as well, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks, 12-volt, more storage underneath with your spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, adjustable seats with carpeted interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 68,570 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, storage here with a 12-volt. And looking at our center console here, we do get quite a bit of storage. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, and media controls. Looking up here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got your phone controls. Any apps you may download show over here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8119, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.